and Micah
Here for My Thai on the Road News Report. Micah, what are we looking at today?
Today, behind us, you can see we have an intense game of Jungle Pong going on behind us. It's quite intense.
Fascinating sport.
It is.
Mike and I even got the chance
They
to
gave
try
us a few
ourselves.
lessons on it, as you can see.
Good.
We were out first. But, you know, we don't pride ourselves on being that good at ping pong in general.
Skillful.
So that's alright. We just let them go on, and we're here to bring you the latest updates
Oh crap!
on the happenings of this game. It's getting pretty crazy out there, ladies and gentlemen.
The boys back there, Wesley, Eli, and Bay, Stevens, and Kevin.
Kevin, we don't know your last name. We obviously don't pride ourselves on news reporting either.
Sport, all you have to do is hit the ping pong on the table at least once, and then the person,
It has to hit the floor first, though. It has to hit the floor before you can touch it. And then you have to
waits for it to hit the floor, and then you go back to somebody else, and then somebody else is going to hit it, and it goes around in a circle, and I know this is really confusing.
That's right, Taylor. It is a confusing sport, but we did master some of the skills. We managed to stay in for a few rounds.
Let's take a closer look.
Let's.
No,
I thought I was gonna win. Are you out? Yes!
Victory, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, no, there are
Victory
two more
has-
people. Oh, it is down to the final two.
The final two. Here we go. It's an intense game.
Getting ready.
Jungle
Getting ready.
Sibling rivalry.
Oldest brother and youngest brother.
Looks like we have another.
Oh. And the
We
older
do have a
brother
winner.
lost.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
What did I say? Done here.